Hey all, this is Punika Prem and welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is the vlog for today that we are discussing about how this is the ULANZI mic, is connected to the GoPro. This is the most awaited question that I have seen on the YouTube, that which mic is feasible for connecting to the GoPro with the wireless one, and here is the answer. So this is the ULANZI mic that is connected to my GoPro Hero 10. I will show you. This is the ULANZI mic that has been attached over here. This is the GoPro mic adapter which is connected via this, and this is how it looks. See, okay, this is the all setup that I have. So this is the ULANZI case, that is ULANZI 800 model, and we get a charging case over here. With that we have another mic, we have dead cat, we have another adapter that is used for your mobile and the DSLR cameras. Okay, yes, it is having a C tab as well. For DSLR cameras, it has been attached to the GoPro. Okay, this is how the case works. This is a charging case, and really wanted to tell that this is the very best options to go for it, and it's very good with the noise cancellation as well. In next video, I will be using the same mic with the dead cat. Will showcase how pretty well it adapts to the noise cancellation around it, and how it suppresses the noise cancellation. Okay, this is all said. This is the vlog that I just wanted to tell about, and I know this vlog is going to help a lot of people who are there on the YouTube and they are searching for some best option for the GoPro for connection, and here it is. This is the option that you have it right now. That's all. Thank you so much for watching this vlog, and really happy that you are still continue watching me, and I hope this video goes trending and viral for the hacks for the GoPro with the wireless mic. Thank you so much everyone. See you soonest. Bye.